I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 6. Today's lesson. Okay, Jessica, I want you to relax your face and say this sound. Good. Now say the sound and hold the sound. Oh, perfect. Well done. This is the sound you are saying. Good. Jessica, say this sound.
E.
And say this sound. What's the difference between those two sounds? E, How are your lips different?
E. My lips is a little bit bigger and my jaw comes down a little bit.
Okay, your lips are bigger, meaning spread this way?
No, it's like this way.
Okay, actually what happens here is your lips are relaxed. You're not spreading your lips and you're not pushing your lips, so you're not pulling your lips back. You're not pushing your lips forward. Your lips are just sitting there relaxed. Okay, Jessica, say this sound again. Good. And say this sound.
Ooh.
Good. Ooh. 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 What's the difference with your lips when you say those two sounds? What happens when you say this sound to your lips?
My lips is more tight when I say ooh, and it is more relaxed when I say
Good. Your lips are pushed forward a little when you say ooh. And when you say your lips are more relaxed. When you say ooh and is there any difference with your mouth and how open it is? Ooh, ooh,
ooh,
Does your jaw move at all?
ooh, I feel that doesn't move.
Ooh, ooh,
Yeah, the jaw drops a little bit.
Well done. The jaw drops a little bit when I say the sound.
Ooh,
Ooh, ooh, It doesn't drop a lot. It drops a little bit. So, when you make this sound, our lips are relaxed and our jaw drops a little. Ooh,
ooh,
Well done, Jessica. Excellent.